In this course, we're going to explore poetry. The haiku poem is among the National English Language Art Standards. Haiku is a form of poetry invented in Japan. It includes 3 lines. The first line, 5 syllables. The second line, 7 syllables. And the third line is 5 syllables. Let me read the poem this time. The old pond. An old silent pond. A frog jumps into the pond. Splash. Students will make haiku poems come to life. Visualize a short film or a short poster. Whatever the youth choose, they'll have fun. Don't forget to like our page at Facebook, subscribe below, find out how to enroll in the classes. So we also have a link in the description.